My name is Maximilian Schmidt. I'm here in the production management. I've been with the Word Electronic ICS now for 6 years. I started in 2018. So currently I'm responsible for core major projects in the production. From a production perspective, it's amazing to see how we start with a prototype, how a prototype then becomes a pre-series and later on a series article being produced in hundreds of thousands or 10,000s of pieces. And this really motivates me because I see that I can have an impact on the ICS as a company as it is. The REDline Power Box M+. We work on a daily basis with that product. We ensure to have a smooth production throughout the whole process, throughout the production steps. The Power Boxes are a great product for our clients.
Welcome to the REDline Power Box M+, your ideal solution for decentralized power distribution between the engine compartment and the cabin. This REDline Power Box is specifically designed for demanding environments where reliable performance and a compact design are essential. It offers up to 4 power inputs, each rated for up to 200 ampere. You can choose between M5, M6 or M8 threaded connections, Radlock and Sherlock Plus inputs. Featuring a large PCB area, this power distribution solution can be customized with various components. A megafuse can also be integrated on the exterior to provide enhanced protection for all components. Thanks to its robust design, the REDline Power Box M+ is rated with protection class IP66 and IP69K, making it dustproof and resistant to external influences. An LED indicator or an optional closed input can also be added. Experience efficient and flexible power distribution with the REDline Power Box M+, featuring a large PCB that can be customized with different power input options and components to your needs.
Thanks guys for watching. If there are any questions, thoughts or unclarities, just let me know and comment in the comments below.